In the last session, we have dealt with so many basic problems and clock based problems and shadow based problems. Now we are moving on to the practice problems. Two cars start from the opposite places of a main road, 150 km apart. First car runs for 25 km and takes a right turn and then runs 15 km. It then turns left and then runs for another 25 km and then takes the direction back and reached the main road. In the meantime, due to a minor breakdown, the other car has run only 35 km along the main road. What would be the distance between the two cars at this point? Now moving on to the question. Two cars start from the opposite places of a main road. Let me take like this. Here is one of the car and here is the another car. Like this. This is the main road. The distance between these two cars is 150 kilometers. Now, what is happening? First car. You can take any one of the car. I am taking this is the first car and this is the second car. First car runs for 25 km. Actually, the facing direction of these cars are to be taken in this manner. Why? Because they are starting from the opposite directions, right, of the main road. So, both the cars are opposite to each other. So, we can say the direction of this car is this and 25 kilometers it is moving on the main road. So, on the main road, we can mark the 25 kilometer anywhere. I am marking at this point. This is the 25 kilometer. After running 25 kilometer, what is happening? It takes a right turn and then runs 15 kilometers. From this point, it is taking a right turn like this. After this, it is taking 15 kilometer, then it is stopped. Then it is given, then it turns left. From this point, it is turning to the left. How far it is going? It is going another 25 kilometer over here. So, I am marking another 25 over here like this. So, now the initial car, first car, which was run 25 km on the road and it taken right side 15 km cut and again it is going to the parallel of the road, that is 25 km again it is covered. Totally the distance covered by the car is 25 plus 15 plus 25 which is 65 kilometers. But on the road means on the road path it would have travelled only 25 and 25, that is totally 50. Then what about the next statement? And then takes the direction back and reached the main road. After taking this 25 kilometer, it is going back to the main road. Where is the main road? This is the main road. So going back means it is moving like this and reached the main road at this point. This is the first car now. Its current position is 25 plus 25, totally it would have covered 50 kilometers. What is happening next? In the meantime, due to minor breakdown, the other car has run only 35 kilometers along the road. That is, in the meantime, within this, the another car which have travelled just 35 kilometers from this point, 35, covering a 35 kilometer. Now, at this point, it has a breakdown over here, minor breakdown. The second car is been here. Now, the question is finally asking you to find the distance between these two cars at this point. So, we know that the total distance between these cars is 150 kilometer. Now, I am making here 150 kilometer, which was the initial distance between the car 1 and 2 at first. Now, the first car has travelled this 25 plus this 25 here. 25 plus 25, overall 50 kilometers, which was crossed by the first car. Now, the first car which is at this position. Then the next car which has covered 35 kilometer from this position. So I am marking this is the 35 kilometer covered by the second car. Now we want to find, this is the second car position at present. Now we want to find the in between distance. Very simple. What is the total distance? Total distance is 150 kilometer. You will have to subtract the distance covered by both the cars. So first you will have to add 50 plus 35, which is 85 kilometer, which was covered by both the cars. The rest is going to be 65 kilometers. So finally the answer for the question is option C, 65 kilometers. The next question, Rashmi's house is just opposite to Mansi's house. Rashmi goes towards northeast and reaches Mansi's house. If Mansi has to go to Rashmi's house, then in which direction should Mansi go? Southwest, northwest, southeast or northeast? These questions are based upon the basic idea of the direction chart that is given over here. So given the 8 directions of the chart. So from this you could find what are the direct opposite directions to each other. For north, when I am asking you what is the opposite direction to north, simply you can say south. For west, you can say the opposite is east. What is the opposite, direct opposite direction of northeast is? For north it is south, right? For east is, which is west. So simply you can answer southwest without looking at the map itself. So when I am asking what is the opposite direction of southeast, it will become northwest. Vice versa for northwest, which is southeast. So knowing the basic idea of the opposite direction of the chart is required to answer this question without the chart. However, I am going to explain the question with the help of the chart. Rashmi's house is just opposite to Mansi's house. So Rashmi's house, which is directly opposite to Mansi's house. So if anyone's house position is known, from that you could easily find Rashmi's position or not. Is exactly. Say for example, if Mansi's house is located in the east, which is given, because the statement already you know that Rashmi's house and Mansi's house are directly opposite to each other, and they are saying the east position Mansi's house is located, then can you answer yes? Rashmi's house could be definitely in the west. Likewise, in the question it is given Rashmi's goes towards northeast and reaches Mansi's house, which means Mansi's house is simply located in the northeast. That's all. So what is the opposite direction? That is the location of the Rashmi's house. That's all. At the last line they have given, if Mansi has to go to Rashmi's house, then in which direction should Mansi go? Which is equal to what is the direction of Rashmi's house? What is the opposite of northeast? Simply southwest. Or else you can check the northeast direction, straight opposite southwest is located. So finally answer for this question is southwest, which is given in the option A. The next question, Ranjit from his home, he walks 100 meter towards east and then turns right and walks 50 meter. After this, he walks 20 meter towards southwest, then finally turns 225 degree anti-clockwise direction and walks 500 meter to reach his grandparents' house. In which direction Ranjit has to walk in order to reach his home? So let's take Ranjit from his home. Let's mark the Ranjit's home first. This is the home of Ranjit. So from this point, he walks 100 meter towards the east. East means always to the right. So he is moving from this point 100 meters. Then turns right and walks 50 meter. From this position, he is turning right and walks 50 meters. After this, he walks 20 meters towards the southwest. From this point, you will have to mark the southwest. If it is given left or right, it is easy to take. But how to directly take southwest is First you can mark the south. This is the south. Always south is downwards and west is to the right. Then mark west also. In between these two, where is the midpoint? You can draw the line like this. So he is moving 20 meter towards the southwest. So between south and west, he has taken the distance travelled over this point is 20 meter. It should be little shorter than the length of 50. So I am marking this is 20 meter. Now this south and west can be ignored. They are not required now. Simply I am clearing this. Then the next thing, moving on to the next point. Finally, he turns 225-degree anti-clockwise direction, which means from this point, this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. To know the clear direction of 225-degree, let's moving on to the chart. At present, he is at which position? He is facing the southwest. So I am marking the southwest in the diagram. So from this point, he is moving towards 225-degree and reaching some point. Where is 225-degree? These 245 is equal to 90. These 245 is equal to 90. 180. 180 plus 45. 225. Whenever a person from the southwest point taking anti-clockwise 225-degree, definitely he will be facing north. So from this point, he is facing north. Actually, this was his previous facing direction. After taking the 225-degree turning point towards anti-clockwise, he is getting north as his new direction. This is the old facing direction. This is the new facing direction. Now what is happening here? And walks 500 meter to reach his grandparents' house. So how will be walking? Towards his front, right? So we can remove the old facing direction. This is the present facing direction. From this point, he is moving 500 meter. So it should be lengthier than 100 meter. I have taken this much, 500 meter. So what is this point? This is his grandparents' house. This is his house actually. Now the question is asking, in which direction Ranjit has to walk in order to reach his home. So which means after reaching the point of his grandparents' home, that is to be noted carefully. After reaching this point, you will have to find always from this point what is the direction of his home. So for that, if you know that which is southwest, simply you can directly answer the direction is southwest, which is given in the option A. Or else, if you want to mark for clear answer, simply you can mark the direction over 1, 2, 3, 4. This is north, this is east, this is west and this is south. This dotted line is the pathway between his house and his grandparents' house. So southwest direction, he want to come back. Finally, the answer is southwest. The next question, Anita walks 20 meter towards northeast and then turns 90-degree clockwise direction and walks 500 meter. Then finally she turns 225-degree in clockwise direction and walks in that direction to reach home. In which direction Anita finally walking in order to reach her home? So here the starting position is given in terms of the sub-direction northeast. So let's mark it first. Anita walks 20 meters towards northeast. So this is the starting position of Anita. So where is the northeast first? Let's mark north and let's mark east. So from this point, the midpoint is said to be the northeast. So she is moving 20 meters from this point. Now we can remove the unnecessary things. So this is the exact point. From this she is moving 20 meters towards this point. Then turns 90-degree clockwise. So her facing direction I have given in terms of the dotted lines. So at present, which direction she is looking? Northeast. Just looking at the chart for 90-degree clockwise rotation. At present, she is at northeast direction. So from the northeast direction, where can we find the 90 degrees? Here we can find 90 degree, 45 plus 45, 90 degree to the southeast. From the northeast, she is moving towards the southeast, which is given in terms of 90-degree clockwise direction. So from this point, let's mark the southeast. This is south and this is east. She is moving like this. How far is she going? That is 500 meters she is moving. So I am making 500 meter. It should be lengthier. This line should be lengthier than the 20 meter. Then finally she turns 225 degree in the clockwise direction, which means at this point 225 degree is the clockwise direction. First let's mark the old facing direction. This is the old facing direction, which is towards the southeast. Now moving on to the chart, let's find where is the 225 degree in clockwise direction. That is from this point, the clockwise direction is like this. So where can we find the 225 degrees? This is 90, here it is 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 45, which is going to be the north direction. Simply she is going to turn north. That's what given in terms of 225 degree. So simply I am coming here from this point. I am rotating to the clockwise direction of 225 degree. Directly I am getting north. So now the new facing direction of Anita is north. So let's remove the old facing direction. From this point, how far is she going? That is the thing. It is not given actually. Then finally she turns 225 degree in the clockwise direction and walks in the direction of to reach home. So here somewhere her house is located at this point, anywhere. So in which direction Anita finally walking in order to reach her home? Here this question is not about the distance travel. Only they are asking the current facing direction of Anita. Current facing direction is simply north. Or look at the chart, it is north. The answer for this question is north, which is given in the option A. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. In this session, we have solved a lots of practice problems. In the next session, the continuation of these problems will be taken.